Hey there, welcome to Anjus Universe. Today I am going to do moong dal pakodis. These are a snack item. It's very tasty to eat, yummy too. So what I am going to do, let me first show you the things we need for this recipe. This is the moong dal soaked and I have filtered the water. And this is some green chilies. You can take according to your taste. Some ginger. Some coriander leaves chopped, salt according to your taste, and this is red chili powder. This is chaat masala we'll use later after frying this, and this is nigella seed, and this is some hing asafoetida. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to grind this dal with this green chili and this ginger. So let's grind first and then I will show the rest of the things what we have to do. So here's our paste is ready. I have not used any water into it and I have not made a fine paste. It's little like coarsely grounded. So rest of the things I'm going to add. Some hing, asafoetida, some red chili powder, and I will keep for decoration also at the end, and nigella seeds and the coriander leaves. So we are going to mix it well, and salt according to taste. So we'll mix it, and I have put oil in a pan to heat. So we'll mix this and we'll make a small vadas out of it. So let me mix and show you. So here's our mixture is ready, and our oil is also nice and hot. So you can use your hands or you can use spoon to do these pakodis, like this small pakodis. Right now I have my flame is high. Later when I am done with putting these pakodis, I'll reduce the flame so that it will become nice and crispy in a low flame. So here's how we are going to do. Let me do the rest of it. As you can see, our pakodas are nice golden brown in color, light color. So it's already done. I'm going to take it out in a paper towel and serve with some chutney. So let me first take them out. So here's ready moong dal ki pakodis. So I have sprinkled some chaat masala over it and some red chili powder, and I have served with some tomato ketchup and some pudeni dhania ki chutney. So I hope you like it, you make it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Bye for now.